I'm going to show you how to set up Face Unlock on the Galaxy A27 5G. Now you can actually set up Face Unlock so you can unlock your phone with your face, but you have to have set up the password, PIN or pattern first. So if you go into settings and then under settings, scroll down and go to lock screen, tap on that, and then go to screen lock and biometrics, tap on that. If you've not set up a password, PIN or pattern, you'll be prompted to set one up first. But since I've already set up mine, I'm just going to enter my pattern and it's going to allow me into the biometrics page where there's going to be face recognition. So you want to tap on that and then hit continue. It's going to show you how to set your face. So basically you need to point your face, your phone to your face. So hit register and then you can see that little circle there. That's why you put your face like that. Okay, and then you swirl your face. It's gonna give you instructions to pick up your face, and then it's gonna ask you to take off your glasses, which is fine. So I'm gonna take them off, hit continue, position your face in the frame like that. I'm gonna have it to move it away from the camera a bit so that it can clearly see my face, and that's it. Once it's registered, it will let you know it's registered, and that's it. So now with my screen locked, I can simply show it my face and it unlocks, as you can see with that padlock animation. So lock, show it my face, and it unlocks. Thanks for watching. Good luck.